Good morning, my lovely students. I know and I hope that all my students are healthy and safe at home. In previous video, we have discussed about exercise 6 and exercise 7 of chapter number 3. You are right. You know now that when the maths video is going on, you have to carry your textbook as well as pencil or pen, and you have to carry a rough book along with you. So if you want or if you need that something is important, I should jot it down. At that time, you can jot it down, students. So we were on chapter 3, subtraction. In previous video, we have discussed about exercise 6 and exercise 7. Now, in this video, we will discuss about exercise 8 and review exercise. Okay, students? For exercise 8, we need to know about the concept of estimation and addition and subtraction. We have already done estimation, or I can say round off of the numbers in first chapter. The concept is similar to that only. Okay, students? So, bring your notebook or rough book with a pencil, and if you want that this is important for your understanding, you can jot it down. So, are my students ready with the material? Let's start it. So students, in previous video we have covered our topic till here, and then afterwards we have discussed the statement sums, remember? Now in this video we will see that how to estimate the number, and then after estimation how addition and subtraction is possible. Okay students, let's start it.
Estimation in addition and subtraction. Estimation in addition or subtraction means to guess the sum or difference by rounding off the numbers.
Students, you saw what is written here? Estimation in addition or subtraction means to guess. हम guess करेंगे the sum or difference. When it is asked in the question to add, we will use add. When it is asked in the question to subtract, we will do deduction. By rounding of the numbers, we will be rounding off the numbers, then afterwards we will do addition. So simple, isn't it?
The estimated sum or difference differs from the actual sum or difference.
Students, हम किस में से estimate करेंगे difference? From the actual sum and difference. जो actual answer आएगा, that we will be rounding off, students.
Example, estimate the sum of 53 and 72 and find the actual.
See, read the question. Estimate the sum of 53 and 72 and find the actual sum also. We are supposed to find two things in this. One is estimate the sum, and then we are supposed to find the actual sum. Okay students?
Actual sum also. Estimated sum 53 rounded off to the nearest tens is equal.
See students, remember, हम जब भी tens वाला हमें round off करना होता है, we usually focus on ones. अगर ones 5 से बड़ा होता तो हम 60 लेते, अगर ones 5 से छोटा है तो हम 50 लेंगे. 3 is less than 5, so we will round out up to 50. Now in this case also, when we focus on 72, we observe that 72 means ones. Ones is less than 5, so we will round it off as 70. Okay students, remember our first chapter concept, exercise 6? Yes. Now we will first do the round off calculation, and then we will find the actual sum.
50. Actual sum 53. 72 rounded off.
Observe students, what was in the question? First we do estimated sum, then afterwards we wait for the actual sum. You can see what is the difference. Almost 5 is the difference. Estimated sum difference from the actual sum is by 5. Actually 125 होना चाहिए था. But when we estimated or when we done the rounding off, at that time we came to know that when we round off, the answer is 120. Okay students?
To the nearest tens is equal to 70. Actual sum 72 is equal to 120, 125. Estimated sum differs from the actual sum by 5.
So now students, here we complete the concept understanding. Now we will discuss 2 or 3 forms of exercise 8 and then we will move to review exercise. So bring your pen and textbook, pen and paper and textbook for referring the question. Let's start it. Now students, we will look upon the exercise sum. We will solve 1 and 2 for your better understanding that how we will be solving this type of sums. Are you ready students along with your pencil or pen? Okay, so let's start it. Now we will solve our exercise 8, page number 40 of your textbook. Question number 1. In that we will solve the C1. Okay students, here is the question. So let's start it. We have to round it off to the nearest tens. That is, we are supposed to round off till हमें ये दो numbers को round off करना है and we are supposed to find the estimated sum. So first I will write here estimated sum. This students 486 will be rounded off to, हमेशा ऑब्जर्व करो, हमें क्वेश्चन में क्या पूछा है टेंस. जब भी मुझे बोला है मुझे टेंस को राउंड ऑफ करना है तो मैं किसको देखूंगी? मैं वंस को देखूंगी. दैट मींस 6. क्या 6 5 से बड़ा है या छोटा है? यस एग्जैक्टली 6 is greater than 5. So what will be done? 1 will be added here. So 486 will be replaced by 490. Okay students? Okay. Now let's come to this 36. It's a 36, no? Yeah, it's 36. Now the question, focus again. We are supposed to round it off to the nearest tens. So we will look on the ones, tens. We will look on tens. The 6. That means the place, the ones place, that is 6. क्या 6 5 से बड़ा है या छोटा है? Yes, 6 is greater than 5. So I will be rounding off this 36 to 40. Okay. Now we are supposed to add. So I will add it. 0, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 1 will be carried forward in here. 5. This was my estimated. Now let's have a look on what will be my actual. Let me add it for my understanding. I just added the question as it is. 6 plus 6, 12. Now 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 3, 12. And 5. Now you can see the difference. When I rounded off, the difference for what was the estimated 53 and what was the actual 527. Now I can conclude that the estimation is 8 more. Understood students? Because it is a difference of 8. Okay students? So let's solve question number 2 answer. Now in this we are supposed to, question number 2, rounding off to the nearest tens. Now in this we are supposed to round it off, but we are supposed to deduct it. Okay students? So first of all I will be writing estimated difference. Okay students? So what will be my estimated difference? See, 356. Ones की प्लेस में कौन सा डिजिट है? Yes, 6. 6 is greater than 5 or less than 5? Greater than 5. So it will be rounded up to 360. Okay students. Now comes the turn of 215. Once place 5 is there. What was the rule? If the digit is 5 or less than 5, then it will be deducted. If the digit is 5 or greater than 5, it will be added 1. Remember, 1 will be added to tens place. So, what will be my round of 215? My rounding off of the 215 will be 220. 0, 6 plus 2, 8. Oh, yeah. Remember, you focused what I did the mistake? Yes. In the quotient, it was subtraction and I was adding it. So, you have to be present, you have to be punctual, you should be full focused. Okay, students? So, now back it. We are supposed to deduct it. 0 minus 0, 0. 6 minus 2, 4, 1. This is my estimated difference. And what will be my actual difference if I want to calculate it? 356 minus 215. What will be my actual? This 5 will become 4. This will become? Yes. What will be your comment? Oh, but I don't need to do that. I can cut it by directly, students. I can do it directly. 6 minus 5, 1. 5 minus 1, 4. 1. What is the estimated is 140 and what is actual 141. So, here we complete our exercise 8. Now, I have something for you. Now, you are supposed to solve the sum as a worksheet part. Okay, students? You have to copy this sum and you can do it in your notebook as well at the time when you are watching the video. You can pause the video and you can copy the question. Okay, students? And this will be your review exercise. This will be your part of a worksheet of the whole chapter. Okay, students? This exercise you will be solving at your own. Subtract and check your answer. You will subtract it and then you will check it. Remember exercise 4? Yes. This 3 sums belongs to the type of exercise 4. In question number 2, the difference between the two numbers is 7194. If the bigger number is this much, find the smaller number. Difference is given. आपको बड़ा नंबर है, आपके पास छोटा नंबर है. What you will be doing? Yes. बड़े नंबर में से डिफरेंस माइनस कर दोगे तो आपको क्या मिल जाएगा? छोटा नंबर. Understood, students? Nitin added 2561 to a number and then added 169 to the sum. He got the answer 50,005. He started with number. Oh, this is tricky, but I know my students will solve it very well. So, that's all for today. Here we complete our chapter number 3. Now I will be providing you the notes with the help of PDF so the students relax. You can complete your notes, but be proper in completing your notes because it will help you in the examination. That's all for today.